Hello, I'd like to introduce you to my most valuable helper in the kitchen. My creams, sauces, doughs all have a unique secret, the power and usefulness of my Mycook food processor. It has an 800-watt motor and its sufficient induction heating reaches 120 degrees Celsius. Its ultra-durable stainless steel panel lets you control time, temperature, and speed. Its jug is made of stainless steel with heavy-duty blades. It includes a mixer paddle and spatula, plus a basket and other optional accessories. Plus a cooking technique guide with sample recipes. Very important, there is a special stir-fry speed with gentle chopping while the ingredients cook to produce the perfect stir-fry. And the powerful turbo function to give your creams the perfect texture or blend even the toughest ingredients. Watch how it grinds spices, as well as chops vegetables. It emulsifies, cooks any type of dish, as well as whipped cream and egg whites, and creates all kinds of mousse, and knead in an instant, as well as braise while you get on with other things. And it can even steam, and boil pasta, rice, eggs with its strainer basket. What do you think? You can cook whatever you like and all with a single appliance. It really is an extremely valuable helper, isn't it?